Here we have my new body scrub. I don't want to tell something about it, so here comes Dr. Dracula.
And this here is Dr. Aquila. Alright, here we have Ole Henriksen Low Fat Body Scrub. This is a very good body scrub because inside, if you watch very closely, you can see a lot of small minerals. These minerals will go into your skin and take on all the dead cells, so the skin will be as soft as a baby when you finish with it. We can say Ole Henriksen is our saver. But before I want to make sure this is a good cream, I have Nana, my dear, to help me, so I can try it on her right after I wash my hands. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, dear.
It's gonna be very cool first. I can
Right.
feel that, okay? Just relax.
Yes, I do. Oh,
Does it feel nice?
yes, but also very weird.
Yeah, because all of the small minerals. If you
Stone, and it feel like stone.
Yeah, but it's,
crushing.
Against my your skin.
try and look, you can see all the small stones in here. If you let them work for a few seconds, they go into your skin and make it soft. I just go wash my hands again, okay?
Oh. It feels nice.
Yeah, but also it's still a bit itchy, isn't it?
Yes.
You can feel it. It's a bit itchy. Alright, and now I think we'll wash it off. Alright, so I actually thought it was pretty good.
Yeah.
I liked, for the first, the smell of it was fantastic. And when you washed it off, you could still smell it on the skin. And you still can.
right.
And then I think that it actually did a kind of good work on your chest. I think it looked good, and it also feels very, very soft.
Yeah.
So I would say if you have just a little bit of skin problem, this will do the work. It's the best, and we didn't use very much. We didn't even use a handful of mine, and I have a very small hand, so that's pretty nice. And what about you, Diana? What did you think?
I think it was a very nice product. It felt nice on the skin and it was soft, and I got a very soft skin after.
So this is certainly a good buy.
Yeah.
So you should go and buy it somewhere,
Yeah.
because you will really get addicted.
I will buy it. I will buy it again.
I actually also think I won't buy it. I need something for my elbows. So I think you should totally go and buy it. Okay?
Bye. Bye. Bye.